Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Problem number 13904 devices. Given an integer array nums, return the sum of divisors of the integers in that array that have exactly four divisors. So some numbers are having four divisors. Just add the divisors and return the sum. For every, some numbers are having four divisors, only four divisors exactly. Just add them and return that sum. If there is no integer in the array, return no such integer, return 0. Now let's take this example. Nums is equal to 21, 4, 7. I know the brute force will be working right. 21, 4, and then 7, right? Let's take let's take firstly by iterating number by number. You have 21, right? What are the factors or divisors for it? 1. 3 is one divisor, right? And 7 is also one divisor, and 21 into 1 is another divisor. If you see, I can iterate from 1 to 21, which might take me like there are n elements, right? N elements, and for every element, I'm iterating from 1 to what is the maximum that I can have? Nums dot length is 1e4, nums of I is 1e5. Max I can get is n into 10 power 5, which is quite large, right? So 10 power 4 into 10 power 5 would be quite large. How can I go? Now it is having four divisors, so as it is having, the count is equal to 4, and the current sum I am having is like 4 plus 21, 25 plus 7 is 32. Now, what about 4? 4 is having 1, 2, and 4 as the divisors. What is the count? Is 3 itself. So, I don't take the sum. What about 7? 7 is having 1, comma 7, and the count is 2. I don't take the sum. So, answer plus is equal to current every time. So answer will be 32. But the only thing which I need to do here is do not iterate. I just don't iterate every number from, from 1 to that number, right? That number. Let me tell you, if it is 21, you are iterating from 1 to 21 to know its factors, but it is not required actually. For 21, I have divisors like 1, 3, 7 3 is 21, and then 21, right? So how can I get it? 1 into 21, 3 into 7. But what is in the middle? It is just like a square root. Square root. If I just gone till the square root, and how do I get it? Let me tell you. Let me tell you, if I am having 1, let us just imagine I have 1. Now, 21 by 1, what it will be? What will be the answer? 21 by 1 is 1, sorry, 1, 21 is 21, right? 21. Now, what is the number I am taking? 1. So, 1 into 21 is 21, right? So, I got two factors here. Let me name it as D1 and D2. Now I have 3, right? D1 is equal to 21 by 3. What is 21 by 3? 7 3 is 21, right? Now D2 is 3 itself, nothing but the number which I am iterating. So I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot size and I plus plus. Now I would take current sum as 0 and also the count as 0. Now the first thing, for j is equal to 1 and j into j is less than or equal to, nums of I and j plus plus, right? This is the divisor like 3 or 1 which I am taking. Now, if the first condition is if nums of I mod j is equal to 0. If j is a divisor of nums of I, Then what I'm doing here, D1 is equal to nums of I is 21, right? Nums of I by j. And D2 is just j itself. D2 is equal to j. Now there is another problem, right? If nums of I is equal to 9, and I'm having something like 3 here, right? Now, nums of I, 9 by 3 is 3, and here it is the number itself 3. So if let me write it over here. If something like D1 is equal to D2, then count will be incremented by just 1 and the current sum will be incremented by D1 only. Else, count will be incremented by 2. That's how it was in 21. 3 and 7 are the two divisors. And the current will be incremented by D1 plus D2. Right? So that's how the else condition, and here it is our if condition, right? Now after this, if the count is greater than 4, then we just need to break that, right? Then we just need to, I think we just need to continue, I think. Yeah, I think we need to continue from there. Wait, scan. No, no. Let me tell you that if the nums of I is having more than 4 factors, we just need to break break the loop. Now, here is our for loop. After that, if the count is equal to 4, then I'll just add answer plus is equal to the current sum, right? That's how you solve this problem. Return the answer at the end. Thanks for watching this video. Please to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And this is the code. If you haven't coded this before, let me tell you that you have the code link in the description. Go and check it. Thanks for watching this video.